What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over Fantom, guys. The bearish divergence on the 1 hour we've been covering is playing out, and we're seeing a back test of support. We're seeing a pullback, which is healthy because we had quite a significant pump. So we're sitting at 224, down about 2% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 5.62 billion. 24-hour volume is 1.9 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest cryptocurrency app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards for free Spotify, Netflix, travel incentives, and cashback in Crow. And you get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 1 hour chart. I've been going over our bearish divergence and it started to play out here. And we're coming back down to the EMAs. We have lost the 20 EMA, but it's not a big deal in my opinion. If we come over to the 4 hour time frame, you can see we're overextended from the EMAs, and we break too far away from the EMAs. What's going to happen is you're going to come back to them and use them as support. Now we haven't even come all the way back down to the 20 EMA just yet. Fantom is still showing incredible strength, in my opinion. And if we look at Fantom here, when it's pumping, it hardly breaks the 20 EMA on the 4 hour chart. So if the 4 hour catches up and we find support, we could see that continuation. The only thing that you have to watch right now is Bitcoin. The fact that we're having a bearish divergence on the 4 hour, I know short trades are entering, long trades are leaving the market here. If we look at the crypto fear greed, we are getting a bit greedy here. So I think a pullback for Bitcoin is due. Now, of course, we can push a little bit higher here, which could send Fantom absolutely flying. But I think Bitcoin is due for a correction, and it's going to come within the next week or two, in my opinion. So let's get back into Fantom here. So if you see us hold support of the EMAs, we come up and break 234, guys. Your next targets are 260 and 302. We are a bit overextended here. So if Bitcoin were to go through a bit of a harsher correction, do target 195, which was the previous all-time high. I'm just going to quickly take this out here. And the fact that we absolutely blasted through it, we may see a back test of that support if Bitcoin were to see a bit of a harsher correction here. But if we simply find support in the EMAs and we keep pumping here, do target 260 and 302 for Fantom. Right now, we're just having fun. We're in price discovery, but we are a bit overextended. We look on the daily chart, we're overextended from the EMAs. And we've yet to back test our previous all-time high. Same with the weekly, guys. You can see here on the weekly, we're quite overextended from the 20 EMA. What chart is this? KuCoin. It doesn't show me the EMAs here. It just recently got added to KuCoin. Let's try Binance. Yeah, so it looks better here on Binance. So you can see, guys, when we break away from the EMAs, we see a correction. We come back down to the EMAs right here. We broke away from the EMAs on the daily. We came back down. We had a correction. So we're starting to break away once again. So when our correction does come, if it comes sooner than later, do target $1.95, the previous all-time high. But if we're able to hold the EMAs, we break through 234, your next target 260. We have the 1.618 at 302 for Fantom. Guys, sign up to Bybit. I've been absolutely crushing it along with members in my Discord. Fantom has basically paid for my entire trip here in Jamaica already. So I've been making some incredible gains trading on Bybit. You get $50 just for your first deposit. Shout out to the Discord as well here. Just going to pop over to the chart channel. So we have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting breakouts. Guys, it's the price of a coffee. Incredible way to stay ahead of the game as a trader. And I tried to make it affordable for everyone. So it's only $350 USD for the general admission like at the fair or something. All right, guys, that's basically it for Fantom. Watch the 4 hour time frame here. Let me open this up. Actually, I want to do it over here. So watch the EMAs here on the 4 hour time frame. If you see us hold the 20 EMA and we bounce, we're bouncing right now, but if we were to come down to the 20 EMA and we bounce, guys, do target $2.60 because that's what Fantom does. It gets overextended from the 20 EMA. It comes back, it bounces. Look, bounce here, bounce right here, bounce. Every time we come back to down to the 20, bounce. But of course, larger corrections will come. So if that does come, do target $1.95 for Fantom. That's it, guys. I don't want to repeat myself too much. Hope you're well. Hope the pets are healthy. You can follow me on Instagram. I haven't shouted out my Instagram in a long time. You can check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Sign up to Bybit, crypto.com. All right, peace. Take care.